In this video, we're going to go over select by attribute. So for this instance, I'm going to just go back to make my program full screen, and I have three data layers that I'm going to walk through these series of videos in. And I have the Dane County boundary, I have golf courses, and I have Dane Land Use 2005. Now the golf courses and Dane Land Use 2005 can be found in the raw data vector folder. I'm going to start with a select by attribute, and so for doing that we need to go up to our selection at the top menu bar and select by attributes. Now we're going to reposition this just out of the way so I can see all my data and everything, and we're going to change this layer to Dane Land Use 2005. Underneath that, we're going to make sure our method says create a new selection. Just as a reminder, you can do compound selections. If you have stuff already selected, you can remove or add to and from. But for right now, we're going to create a new selection. Then we are going to go to our LU code. And so we're going to do LU code equals, and then we're going to get unique values. And this will populate with a bunch of numbers. Now, how do I know what numbers we want to select? In the intro video, I talked about what land uses we're trying to target as not suitable. And in your assignment statement, I went ahead and pulled those out. And so the LU codes that we're looking for are 36, 37, 39, 482, 485, and 553. And just as a reminder, they are focused on mining, gas transmission, utilities, gas stations, and petroleum, chemical, industrial uses. So I'm going to go LU code, and I'm going to scroll down to 36 and double click. Now, if you remember, we need an operator, and so we could type this in, or you could click on it and say or. And then I'm going to go back to double click on LU code, because remember, we need to remind the software what fields we're looking in, because you could technically look across multiple fields, but we're focused on one field right now. And then again, we're going to go to equals, and you could go back up to that list, but I just want to show you another time-saving measure. So if you could type in 37. So now we know them, we know our codes. We can just type them in. So go back up, LU code equals 39. And in fact, you could type in the or as well. LU code equals 482, or LU code equals 485, or LU code equals 553. So your command expression in here, which is a Boolean expression, should read LU code equals 36, or LU code equals 37, or LU code equals 39, or LU code equals 482, or LU code equals 485, or LU code equals 583. And so that string, Boolean string there, will tell you if one of these conditions are met, then it'll be selected. So we're going to hit apply because I like to test to make sure this works. You should see a bunch of blue areas get highlighted on your screen. There's all the land uses, and we're going to click OK. Now let's make this permanent. So we're going to go to the Dane Land Use 2005 layer, right click, data, export data. I'm going to browse to where we want to save this. And then I'm going to call this unsuitable land uses. Click save, click OK. And yes, I want to add this back into the map. And that will conclude this video. And we'll move on to the next video for the next step. Thanks.